Hello to all my sweet children. Welcome to another video with us at DP Kids. So what are we going to make today? We need to make a lion today. So using a paper towel roll. So have one ready with you and we can make more animals like this. So be ready with all these paper towel rolls. If you can't find these, you can always use a piece of paper, so don't worry about it, right? So it'll be easy for us anyhow to have a paper roll with us. Now we are making this lion today. So we need a piece of brown and yellow paper, and we need the scissors and glue and pencil. So at first what we are going to do is we are going to keep the brown piece of paper on the other side and then take the paper towel roll and we have to wrap it around the paper towel roll, the yellow piece of paper, but make sure that you wrap it in such a way that the paper is not wasted. I think this is the best way to do it in my own way and not the other way around. Okay, so there has to be a little space at the bottom and top, and then you have to fold it like this so that you get a straight line, and then we are going to cut it like this. Then let's paste it. Now we have to paste it, but make sure that we have a little piece on top and little piece at the bottom, but we are also pasting it in a straight line and put a little more gum onto the edges. Now we have a little bit extra here, but it's okay. Let's put a little glue and paste it better. And this extra part, before we fold it in, we have to put a little cut into them, but don't cut the paper roll. Up till the paper roll, you have to cut. Put a lot of little cuts from all around the paper. Then you have to apply some glue on the two sides and then push them in like this. Then can you see it looks very neat and tidy. Otherwise, if we hadn't put in those cuts, we couldn't have made it so neat. That's why we put in the cuts. Now this little edge where we have it, we fold it. We begin folding it starting from that edge. Now the body of the lion has been finished. Now how do we make his head? Now for his face, we need a little circular piece of paper. So you can take the roll and draw a face, but I'm going to draw it by my hands, just by my hands. It's called freehand drawing. So then I will add his two pointy ears. And let's now cut it out. Now it's okay if the lines can be seen because I will show you how to hide them. Right. Then we have to paste it like this. See, so the lines aren't visible. You can't see the lines. Then we are going to have the mane, that is the hair part that is around his face. We are going to make that now. First we have to paste the head onto the brown paper, but it has to be in the middle also because the mane is quite big. Right, let's draw his face on also. My lion is smiling. Now we can draw the size of the mane as well, or you can just cut it by yourself as well. Now let's cut it out like this. It's best if you can cut it from within the line so that you can't see the colored or the pencil marks. Now, to get that natural look of the lion, we are going to cut from these sides like the cuts we put in earlier. Be careful so that his head doesn't get cut off. Keep some space and slowly, patiently cut. Otherwise, your lion will not have a head. Now, I'm going to do something like this. Take your scissor and hold it up like this. You have to be very careful. Take a scissor that is age appropriate, that is for children only, so that you won't cut yourself, and ask your parents to be near you as well. Then hold it like this, and you have to drag this along those papers. Why don't you try it on another piece of paper? Practice and come here, otherwise the mane might come off, the pieces of paper might come out. So do this, drag it along, giving some pressure onto it. So be careful, don't exert so much pressure that the pieces come out. And then you can fold them down a bit like this. Right? And that's his head. Now we are going to paste his head or face onto his body. And now we have to give him some feet, right? Some legs. So a piece of discarded brown paper can be used to make his paws. We call the feet of a lion paws. So I'm going to draw the paws here like this. And then let's give him a little tail also. A little a thin but long piece of paper would do. And we need a little bush sort of a part for the end of the tail, and this is what I'm going to do. Now let's paste those paws in. Then this is how to paste the lion's tail. First put the little bushy sort of part to the end of the tail. Paste that first. Then take your scissor, the way I taught you earlier how to curl. We are going to do it again with the tail also. We are going to curl the tail. Now put a little glue onto the corner of the tail where you don't have the bush, and then stick it onto the back of the lion we made. Now he has a tail also. Look at our lions. Do you like it? They're pretty and they're fun to make. We can use this as a pencil holder even if we have something at the bottom, right? Okay, so we are going to make more and more creations like this in the future. So be with us. Until then, see you soon.